shutter speed. Shutter speed is the amount of time that the shutter is open.
This is how shutter speed works.
Shutter speed is measured in seconds, or in the most cases, fraction of seconds. The bigger the denominator, the faster the speed. For example, 1 to 1000 is much faster than 130.
If you are using a slow shutter speed, for example, anything slower than 1/60, you will need to use either a tripod or some type of image stabilization. If there is a movement in your scene, you have the choice of either freezing the movement or letting the moving object intentionally blur. To freeze the movement in an image, like in the shots of the birds above and the surfer below, you will want to choose a faster shutter speed, and to let the movement blur, you need to choose a slower shutter speed. The actual speed you choose will vary depending upon the speed of the subject in your shot and how much you want it to be blurred.
Motion is not always bad. There are times when motion is good.
For example, in the following seascape, the shutter speed was 1/3 of a second, and so we see the movement in the water. Now, in the subway shot below, the shutter speed was 1 second, so the movement of the trains on either side of the subject is beautifully blurred.
However, in all these cases, you need to use a tripod. Another thing to consider when choosing shutter speed is the focal length of the lens you are using. Longer focal length will accentuate the amount of camera shade you have, so you need to choose a faster shutter speed. Remember, there are two other elements besides shutter speed, which are ISO and aperture. This is called exposure triangle.
As you change shutter speed, you'll need to change one or both of the other elements to compensate for it.
For example, if you speed up your shutter speed one stop from 1/125th to 1/250th, you are effectively letting half much light into your camera. To compensate for this, you probably need to increase your aperture one stop, for example, from f16 to f11. The other alternative would be to choose a faster ISO rating. You might want to move from ISO 100 to ISO 400. That's all about the shutter speed. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.